Turning now to the landmark rulings from the U.S. Supreme Court today. We begin with a decision in favor of a Colorado web designer who refuses to create websites celebrating same-sex weddings. She cites the First Amendment. Critics call it a loss for LGBTQ protections. CBS 2's Dave Carlin is in the newsroom with reactions from both sides. Dave?
Well, Dana, supporters of the ruling say it's about freedom of speech, but critics say it's a step back, limiting protections for the LGBTQ community.
The ruling is a victory for web designer Lorie Smith, who sued over Colorado law, saying she should not be forced to make wedding websites for same-sex couples in conflict with her beliefs. In a 6-3 split, the High Court agreed with her.
Today, I am incredibly grateful for the U.S. Supreme Court's ruling today that says that I'm free to create custom designs consistent with my beliefs without the fear of Colorado punishing me.
The court held that the First Amendment prevents Colorado from forcing Lorie to say a government message that she doesn't believe.
Writing for the court, Justice Gorsuch cites First Amendment protections, saying Colorado seeks to force an individual to speak in ways that align with its views, but defy her conscience about a matter of major significance. In her dissent, Justice Sonia Sotomayor wrote, for the first time in its history, the court grants a business open to the public a constitutional right to refuse to serve members of a protected class. Some members of the LGBTQ community and their allies fear this will allow more businesses to discriminate against LGBTQ people.
That's now going to open up the door to a lot of other people doing the same thing, other businesses. Remember, there were bakers that didn't want to make cakes for gay couples, remember? And so now that it's such a step backwards. It's truly a step backwards.
I mean, you really could not have asked for a worse outcome to end Pride Month. I reject the notion that this is a free speech matter because we are entitled to free speech as well, and we are entitled to freedoms.
The unintended or maybe intended consequence of this is that anyone can now discriminate based off of anything. What constitutes creative free speech?
That was Todd Sears of Out Leadership, who also said the ruling makes LGBTQ people more vulnerable legally, particularly when they are at odds with claims of religious freedom. Live in the newsroom, Dave Carlin, CBS 2 News.
Thank you, Dave.